Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere application on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store, and here in the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application is installing on your device. Now you just should so maybe there's something with the internet connection. Because always that takes no more than half minutes. So okay, now just open the app. Here click yes I agree, be close, and here on the left down corner tap to OK. And as can you see here, we got the temperature of our battery of our device, that's 29.9 degrees. Also here we got the another information about our battery health, level, capacity, and more other information like the Android version and the model of our device. And as can you see, just right now the temperature of our battery has changed to the 30 degrees. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.